Hello friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping in. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Happy Friday. I am excited for the weekend. I came home, changed out of my work attire, and I am getting ready to go see my daughter and my sweet little Matthew grandson. So before I take off that way, I just wanted to share my latest project with you guys. So these are the letter keychains. These are the ones that I have been working on, and I did put them into keychains. So these are super fun. So these ones I did with some, different glitter, some flower stickers, and I left the epoxy in it clear so that you can see through to the different things that I put in. And then I just added tassel and a key ring. Now right now I have these clipped this way. Of course, this ring can clip on there, and then use this to clip keys, or to clip to a belt, or whatever. This is just how I have them done. And then the tassels and the key ring pieces I did get on Amazon. So these turned out really, really cute. These make great gifts. These are great to sell, and there is just so many fun things that you can do with these. So right now I have some more going already. I'll share those with you when they're done. And yeah, here are the keychains. Now my J, I don't have on a key ring yet, because I was going to show you guys both ways, because so this one, you probably can't see, but I drilled the hole through, and you could put the ring in it and then hook on the rest of your pieces that way. However, I didn't have one that was big enough. I can't believe it. I have so many sizes, but I will have to get a package of some bigger ones, and then I'll put this one on with that. So anyways, these turned out really, really super fun. And if you want to see, how I put them together and then put the keychains on, that is all attached. And listen, I hope you have a blessed and beautiful weekend, a beautiful Friday, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. I have a tumbler that I think will be finished to share with you tomorrow, and I'm so excited about it. So if not tomorrow, then Sunday, but hopefully it'll be finished for tomorrow. All right, listen, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and thank you so much. And don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the like button, please. Bye. Here is my mold. This is from Resin, and I got this from Amazon. I love this mold. They make such great molds. These are my favorites. I have some embellishments to put in, and I'll be using Marine Epoxy, and then I've got some different glitters to use. And then I've also got these flower stickers that I'm going to also use. And then I'm just going to use this little tool I got from Dollar Tree and a spoon. And I've got this on fast mode, and we will just go through, and I'm gonna put everything in, and then I will put epoxy and come back. All right, so it's been a couple more days since I showed you where I went in and cleaned up all the edges off of these. So now I am going to take them out, and we'll see how they look. Oh, these are so pretty. I love them. And as you can see, my edges are nice and clean. Nice and clean. Now, the one thing with molds, you do always get these ridges, so that's going to be up to you if you want to do something about it or not. Oh yeah, this is nice. Nothing extra on them, that's good. These turned out so cute. All right, so now we'll turn them into keychains. Let me show you what I've got. So I've done some of these because I was talking to my daughter on the phone, and I was doing them as I was talking to her. So I was hoping to show you two different ways to do them. So first of all, I have my little hand drill, and I got it from Amazon. It comes with different size little bits. And then these came in a package together from Amazon. So I have those. And then I have my little, tool pieces that I use. Oh, sorry if I'm hitting things. Sorry about that. All right, so I was hoping to show you two different ways because you can do it with this circle hoop here. So I put a hole through this one, and I was going to put this loop through it and then put the keychain on. However, I don't have a loop that's big enough. Like this takes, a much bigger one just because of the size of this. And if you like to do it this way, to me, this is the harder way because it's a lot harder to go all the way through your keychain. But of course, you can do it. You can see I got a nice hole in there without cracking it. And I'm going to I'll get some bigger loops so that I don't waste this one because I don't have a loop big enough. What I usually do is I use these little eye hooks like this, and I'm going to show you. But with, like these keychains, you can, either hook it up like this, or you can, hook it like this and have this to, hook other stuff on, whichever way you want. So that's, nice. So for the keychains like this, I like to use these bigger eye hooks. And this is super easy. So we'll do the L, and I'll need one of these. And of course you can put, I'm putting tassels on these keychains, but you can put anything that you want. There's so many options of what you can put on your keychains. So this is really easy. So you decide where you want your little eye hook to be, and then you're going to put your little drill on there, and you just turn it, and you want to get down enough to just have a good opening started. I'm not trying to drill all the way in. I just want a spot for my eye hook to fit in like this. So now it's secure, and I can just turn it in. Oh, sorry, dropping it. It's hard to do these things sometimes and film it and show people at the same time. All right, so I'm just gonna turn it. It really isn't this challenging. It's just because I don't have it close to me. I have it further away so that you can see it. And then when I start getting close, I like to just use my pliers to hold it and turn it in. And then you go all the way down because you don't want it to be loose. All right. Now, if need be, you could always put a little glue, at your eye hook. You could always, I will sometimes, if something feels like it's not super secure, I'll take a toothpick and put a little epoxy on it and just let it, harden just to make sure. And I will probably do that with all of these. Since I'm giving them away, I'll probably go through and just put the little hook, put some epoxy on all the little hooks. Now, if I were doing this with the little ring, I would absolutely put it on the ends of the ring because they slide out so easy. And then sometimes, I will let people choose their color of ring. So if you're selling these, you can hang up your letters and, you could have a display that shows, and then you could actually just have your rings together separately like this. Right? You just have them on, and then they can pick a letter and then pick, a tassel color. Oh, why did I put my tassel on there? I'm just so not even thinking. It's because it's early. Isn't that always my excuse? Because I get up early to do these. There we go. And so it's as simple as that. And then, of course, the letter can go on this, you know, if that feels more secure as well. So anyways, that's how I do my letter keychains. And I hope it was helpful for you. These came out super cute. And I love these alphabet letters because you can put so many different things in them. And you'll see I do them all the time. I generally only share when I do like something different than before with them, like as far as what I put in them. But I love to do them, and I will share when I do them. All right. Hey, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful rest of the day. Bye.